Bonjour. So in this lecture, you will learn the difference between transparent words and false friends. You will also see the French that you already know. Yes, as I mentioned in my previous lecture, that you already know French, a lot of French words. Let's begin with transparent words. They are called les mots transparents. Les mots transparents in French. Transparent words are also known as cognates. And these are the words in one language that are similar in form and meaning to words in another language. They look similar, and sometimes they are also pronounced in the same manner. Transparent words can make it easier for you to learn and understand new words in a different language. For example, if you see similar words and if they mean the same, it will be easier for you to remember them. So it facilitates learning a new language. Some examples of transparent words are métro, téléphone, délicieux. So when I say metro, obviously you think of a metro. Téléphone, as you can see, it's written almost in the similar way, except the accents. It's téléphone. Délicieux is delicious in English. Now let's move on to the false friends. These words are opposite of transparent words. False friends are also called false cognates. And these are the words in one language that are similar in form to words in another language, but they do not have the similar meanings. They have completely different meanings. So these words can create confusion and misunderstandings and can make it more difficult to learn a new language. Because when I say journée, probably you must be thinking about a journey, but it means a day. Journée is a day in French. Actuel is not actual, it's current in French. And comment is not to comment, but it's how in French. Like if you remember, comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Comment, how? To practice these words, let's try a few activities. In this activity, you have to match the transparent words with the images. Pause this video and then check your answers. Okay, let's check your answers. The first one, guitar. Guitar, it's C. Hotel. Hotel is image E. Zoo. Zoo is F. Elephant. Elephant, as it's simple, it's D. Table. Table is B. Orange. Orange is G. Dentiste. Dentiste, quite similar, it's A. And the last one, taxi. Taxi is H. I hope you got all of them correct. Now let's try another activity on false friends. In this activity, you have to choose the correct meanings of these French words. You have two English meanings given and you have to find the right one. Pause this video and check your answers after a few minutes. Let's start correcting your answers. Habit. Habit does not mean habit, it means cloth. Location. Location is not a location, but it's rent in French. Magasin is not a magazine because magazine is magazine in French, whereas magasin is a shop. Hasard. Hasard is not hazard, but it's chance in French. Achever does not mean to achieve, but it means to complete, to finish. Crier doesn't mean to cry, but it means to shout on someone, crier. Rester. Rester is not to rest, but it means to stay. And the last one, blesser, is not to bless, it means to hurt. I hope you have understood these false friends. Be careful of these words because they might make it difficult for you to remember some words. In the next section, we'll learn French alphabet. See you there.